nagulat ako. Actually, kinabahan ako kasi yung mga kalaban ko magaling din. Dahil si beatbox.
Congratulations, Charlie!
Sinalaw si pangalan ko, siyempre medyo nanlambot ako. Pag may mga field trip at educational trip ng mga bata dito sa Better Dog, nagbo-volunteer ako, magpakita sa kanila na ano nagagawa ng dogs pag naalagaan mabuti.
Charlie was just fantastic. He was really, really great with the dogs.
It was so fun!
Yun ang pinaka-importante part sa ginagawa ko. Is to yung information na hindi lang dapat nakakulong ang aso, give time for your dog. Ako kasi, I love what I'm doing by heart.
Ready for a Western standoff with his best buddies. Please welcome our three-time defending champion, Charlie, with Cheska and Yuri. Three-time defending champion Charlie, of course, with his friends Cheska and Yuri. Sinawisan ka nun, Brad, ha? Okay. Not one, but two dogs this time. So medyo mas mataas na yung level of difficulty ngayon. Guys, what do you say?
Siyempre na-cutean ako kasi paborito ko ang mga aso. So, sino si Cheska at sino yung lalaki?
Cheska here.
Oh, Cheska. She's older, no? Kasi hindi niya kaya yung ibang tricks ng isang aso. And then, ano pangalan niya? Yuri. Yuri. So, from one dog to two dogs, next time, 3 dogs na. Okay, sige, abangan namin yan. Thank you.
Panyero,
Yes, Panyero.
hindi ko na tatanungin kung sino ang may talent. Okay? Basta ako ang tingin ko sa kanila para silang isang grupo.
Yeah.
Ha?
Isang
Grupo
barkada.
sila. Barkada sila na may kanya-kanyang talent pero isang grupo kumilos.
Ang ginajudge natin dito si Charlie, ah.
Hindi. Silang lahat.
Sila lahat, oh, sige.
Hindi, pero mahirap pa. Yung kahit naaliw tayo sa aso, hindi tao yan eh. Di ba? Hindi tao yan, di ba? Kumbaga, mga animals yan, pero pag sumunod, parang tao na rin. Isip mo, pinememorize nila yung ano, di ba? Eh ako, hindi ko kayang i-memorize yung pagagawa ko. Kung ako yan. Makakalimutan ko yun.
Baka pag tayo kinoryo dyan, pare, malabo.
Oo. Kaya sobrang naaliw ako and sobrang galing niyo. Basta antingin ko sa inyo isa.
Alright.
Thank you. Thank you.
Nai-imagine ko lang, Charlie, how each week it becomes more difficult for you. Actually, last week, merong element of predictability na. Ang worry ko this week is that what will you do para ma-impress pa ako? Well, na-impress ako dahil dalawa sila. Pero mas na-impress ako noong pinatayo mo si Yuri at saka he stood up while trying to balance himself on your legs. So I can't wait. I can't wait kung anong challenge ang naiiwan sa'yo pagbalik mo. Because tama ang sabi ni Anjo, diba? I mean, you're dealing with two very beautiful, brilliant dogs.
Thank you.
Who I think are more intelligent than some people I know. Okay, thank you.
Thank you very much, Talent Scouts. Charlie, pare ko, maraming salamat. And Cheska and Yuri, thank you very much, guys. But at this point, yeah, good girl, good girl. All right, thank you very much. At this point, though, let's call back on stage your challengers. Okay, Dance and Beats. Sigurado na ang inyong 20,000 pesos. But, in case matalo nyo ang ating 3-time defending champion, gagawin ko 50,000 pesos ang inyong take-home tonight. At, ang importante dyan, magsisimula na ang inyong lakbay to Hall of Fame. Kaya Dance and Beats, good luck. Charlie, you've already won a total of 175,000 pesos. Okay? Now, that's your total for 3 weeks. Kung sakaling manalo ka ngayon dahil 4th week, dadagdagan pa rin natin ng isa pang 75,000 pesos yan for a total of 250,000 pesos. And more importantly, kung sakaling manalo si Charlie ngayon, you are one step closer to our Hall of Fame. Kaya Charlie, good luck. Ang talentadong nakakuha ng pinakamataas na score mula sa ating scout at jury ay walang iba, kundi congratulations! Charlie! Thank you very much, guys. Okay, Charlie, you won once again. This is your 4th week. Kaya, pare, galingan mo na dahil palapit ka na ng palapit sa ating Hall of Fame at tsak yan, pahirap na ng pahirap yan. Thank you very much, Charlie. Congratulations. Next week, isang special Christmas episode kasama ang mga Season 3 Hall of Famers. Kaya tuloy lang ang inyong pagtuto. I'm Ryan Agoncillo. At ito, ang worldwide edition ng pinakamalawak na talent show on television.